Many organizations would like to improve their data efficiency and automate all their internal processes and systems. When working with tools like Power BI or Power Apps, organizations often realize that they could benefit from having someone help them connect to all their various data sources and correctly model their data in a unified single source of truth. In addition to this, they'd like support with building insightful reports that can answer many important business questions. Hi, I'm Jason from DataBear, and our team is passionate about empowering organizations to become more data savvy. As a Microsoft Gold partner, one of the ways that we achieve this is by offering access to our experienced team of BI consultants, database developers, and Microsoft software trainers who can help with any challenge related to Power BI, Power Apps, Azure services, and Microsoft Fabric. For the price of one full-time employee, you can have access to an experienced team with a wide range of multidisciplinary skills, from solution architecture, UI and UX design, creating compelling Power BI solutions, to simply being there for ad hoc support requests. Our reliable team is at your service. DataBear offers monthly support packages for business of all sizes and industries. With our team at your service, you get support from a team of certified professionals who have over a decade of experience in delivering transformational business solutions. Ask any question, request any task, or get any advice related to your project or business requirements. We'll respond within hours and provide your team with the guidance or quality solutions they need. DataBear's monthly support packages are flexible and affordable. You can choose the level of support that suits your budget and requirements. If you'd like to explore how support from our team can help drive your business forward, please use the link below to schedule a call with one of our team. Now, we look forward to meeting you and empowering your team to become more data savvy.